What's up, sellers, and welcome to today's video. It is What Sold Wednesday, where I show you what has sold over the past few weeks. All right, welcome back. Hey, it's been a while since I've done a What Sold Wednesday, and today we're gonna do it. I sent out a message this morning onto Instagram letting people know that this video was in production. I had one person respond with 3 of their best sales from the past 2 weeks, and then I have a dozen or so of my own sales that I'm gonna share with you. The purpose for this video is to show you what is selling so that you can have an idea of what to look for and sort of the prices that you could be selling for on eBay. These are all eBay sales. We haven't delved into Poshmark and Mercari sales yet, so keep that in mind as we go forward. The first thing we have here is one of my sales. I'm going to do all of my sales, and then I'll finish off with the submitted sales from one of my Instagram followers that's coming up at the end of this video. The first pair we have here is a pair of Converse Chuck Taylor. I put Chuck Taylor as a keyword search term, but they're Converse low top black leather sneakers. I bought these for $1.50 at Plato's Closets, 90% off sale several weeks ago, probably 3 or 4 weeks ago. We bought them for $1.50. They were originally $19.50 at Plato's Closet. They had 90% off, got them for $1.50. And this is what they sold for, $25 plus shipping. It was calculated shipping, so it was more than the $8.70 that it shows there. But as you know, with eBay, whenever you pull up this screen on your phone, this is what you see. And so that is why it says $8.70. It was probably closer to the $10 or $12 range. All right, next. We have this pair of Nike Dual Fusion TR2 print women's training shoes. They sold for $29.99 free shipping. This was not a highly profitable shoe. However, it was $1.50 also from Plato's Closet, 90% off sale. They were in good condition, a little bit dirty. We just cleaned them up and then listed them. The shipping on these was probably in the $10 range or so. So I did make a few dollars off of them, but it wasn't anything. If these had been a $5 pair of shoes, I definitely would have passed on them. This women's puffy down-filled puffer vest, size extra large. It was a partial down-filled, partial polyester-filled puffy vest, winter vest. Sold it for $30, fast and free. I want to say it was probably a pound and a half at the most. And so maybe $10 for shipping priority. I paid, what did I pay on this? $5, I think, at Goodwill like a month and a half ago. So it did take a little time to sell, but it sold and I'm happy with it. This pair of North Face women's Gore-Tex Vibram Sole trail running hiking shoes. Sold $32 plus shipping. This also came from Plato's Closet, 90% off sale. I want to say I paid $2 or $2.50 for these. I think that's right. Yeah, like $2.50. They were originally $25, 90% off. I sold these really low price, I feel like, especially free shipping, and they were a heavy shoe. I had these in inventory for over a year, and so I was just trying to offload these things. These were a Goodwill pickup at $5 for the pair of shoes. So they're tennis sneakers. Man, these were hard to move. Don't know why, but $35.90 free shipping. These are FootJoy men's golf shoes. I got these at the Goodwill outlet probably a year ago for $3. There's some scuffing on there. Did sell them eventually, $37.99 free shipping, $10 for shipping or so, and then after fees and everything. I definitely quadrupled my money for sure, but yeah, just difficult to sell these. These were an easy sale. I got these at the normal Goodwill. They're Nike Dunk High Burgundy Bordeaux Sail Seaweed women's size 8. I think I paid $3 for these. Yeah, I think I paid $3 for these. Might have been $5. However, free shipping. We'll say $10 for the shipping. Remember, with that $10, that's plus or minus $2. And I got actually just recently a raving review or feedback from this customer. They are so happy with them. I should have thrown that in this video. However, let's move on. This pair of men's Florsheim brown leather tassel loafers, formal dress shoes. I got these at the Goodwill for $5. They were leather sole, so I always look out for leather soled shoes, especially if they are in good condition. The leather sole on this pair you could tell they had been walked in, definitely, but there were no holes in it. It was overall really good condition. I paid $5 for them, free shipping, let's say $10, and yeah, a good $20 net profit. These Nike Shox Nirvana Sparkles, these are kind of cool because they actually shimmer a little bit whenever you shine light on them. Not like a reflectable material, but like glitter almost on parts of it. Really cool. Triple black. Paid $5 for these at the Goodwill and sold for 40 plus ship, or 40 and free shipping. This pair right here, Nike Shox Athletic shoes, black leather. These are cool. I bought these. It took like a week to sell them. Really, really fast. Sold them for $40 plus calculated shipping. So whatever that would have been. They were a heavier shoe, so I think I put them at 4 pounds for shipping. They were like 3 and some change pounds for the shipping. I put it at 4, so that covered the cost of that. Really happy with this pair and got a feedback just yesterday, I think, on these. The customer was super happy with them. This LL Bean Goose down-filled vest, 2XL, green puffer vest, insulated zip up. This is LL Bean. It's a newer piece. It's not vintage like I like my LL Bean. However, I paid $8.99 for this, $7.99 or $8.99, one of those. Anyways, got it from Goodwill. It literally needed nothing. I put it on a hanger, took pictures of it, and it sold within 10 days. $40 plus calculated shipping. This pair of Nike Shox NZs, I feel like this is an older pair, maybe sort of like a vintage pair, 25 years old or older. Yes, sold it for $59 plus calculated shipping. And you know what's funny about these is I got these, and because I was on like this massive sourcing, I don't know, hot streak, these sat on the floor of my office for literally, man, like a month. I could have had these sold so much sooner. They sat on the floor of my office for a month. Then I listed them and they sold within 3 days. So $59 plus calculated shipping. Really cool colorway. And honestly, when I was checking comps, I could not find any single shoe that had this colorway. Very happy to have sold these, especially at that $59 price. These, really excited about these. Infant boys Nike little posits. Awesome, black with the gold foam on them. Sold these, I bought them for $7 at Goodwill. They were $6.99. I think there were 7 pairs of these, so all different sizes and different colors. I bought all the pairs that they had for $7 each. Sold these for $35, free shipping. They were 4 ounces. I shipped them off this morning. I think the shipping for these was $4 because I sent them first class. So yeah, like $4. Really happy with this sale. These Adidas Derrick Rose 3s, scarlet, red, and black, Chicago Bulls basketball. $45 I sold these for. I think I got them at the bins, and I had them for a while. I paid $3 for them, $3.50, something like that, and sold them for $45 plus free shipping. The interesting thing about this pair is I bought them, and it took a while to sell them. I sold them on Poshmark. The buyer got them, and for whatever reason, they didn't fit or they were too tight, something. And so I authorized return. They returned them, and while they were in transit, like the day they were to be delivered back to me, I'd already relisted them on eBay, and they sold while, like I was literally waiting to get them back in the mail, and they sold. And I was able to turn them right around and send them right back out. So that worked out really. That was risky. I wouldn't recommend that to all sellers, but somehow that worked out in my favor. I guess blind luck maybe. And then the win of the year for me, I guess. Men's rare vintage 90s Scarface jacket. JH Design is the brand. JH Design. Size large, olive, colored, tan, camouflage, excellent use condition. There were a ton of these that had sold for anywhere from $120 to $160, but in different colorways, mostly white and black, or gray and black. However, this was an interesting colorway, and I could not find it anywhere. It actually had me thinking that maybe it was a counterfeit or a bootleg because of the olive color and the camouflage. However, I looked around. I did find, it was on some obscure website, but I was able to find out and like look for detail markers, found out that it is in fact authentic. And so I listed it for $149 free shipping. The shipping was a pretty heavy piece, and so maybe like 15 bucks for shipping. I paid $4.99 for it. $4.99 for this. Super happy with this sale. Definitely my best flip as far as return on investment. Really, really happy with this. Spent $5, sold for $149. My previous best sale was a pair of J shoes. That's the brand. They were brand new, had never been worn, leather soles in mint condition, and I paid $5 for them and sold them for $119 or $116. So this is significantly more as far as the revenue goes. Very happy with this piece. All right, now on to my submissions from Cody's Pursuit of Happiness on Instagram. His handle is at Cody's Pursuit of Happiness. I'm dropping it in the bottom corner of this video so that you can go check him out and follow his journey. The first thing, he sent this blurb here that says, here's some items that sold recently, man. The HP Sprocket photo printer was one of the free items from my friend's storage unit, and so was the Rock Band 4 game and mic, and I paid just $5 for the Justin boots. So right here we have this HP Sprocket portable photo printer, black. $50 is what it sold for, plus free shipping. If you remember from my last video, my last What Sold Wednesday video, Cody mentioned that his friend had a storage unit and was cleaning it out, was getting rid of the storage unit, and just needed to offload a bunch of stuff that was in there. And so he gave Cody a bunch of stuff from inside that storage unit for free. Free inventory is absolutely always the best inventory. And so to be able to sell this Sprocket portable photo printer for $50 plus free shipping, I would imagine somewhere in the range of, $8 for shipping, and then let's see, less than 14 bucks for fees. So you're coming out with $25 or $30 of profit, net profit. That is a win. Next, the Justin Boots Women's Gypsy Collection Western Boot Aged Bark. The style code is the L9903. He sold for $50 plus calculated shipping. This is awesome. I'm super pumped about this because he paid $5 and sold them for $50. 10x your money. Obviously, it's 10x before fees and all that. However, this is still a great example of flipping money for massive profits. If you become skilled at this, if you become knowledgeable, you can make this happen repeatedly on a day-to-day basis, numerous times a day. This is amazing. Like, this is something that we should all be striving for. Rock Band 4, PlayStation 4, game microphone bundle, PS4 mint disc, very good. $49.88 plus calculated shipping. Remember, he got this stuff for free from his friend who is cleaning out the storage unit. That is totally clutch. You have to start looking for those opportunities. Now, that's something that, doesn't happen very often, doesn't come around very often, but whenever you see those opportunities, jump on them, get those items for free, get that money. That is what we have for today. I'm really, really happy to be able to share Cody's Pursuit of Happiness and Cody's journey through reselling. It's totally awesome that there are people out there, whether you're doing this full-time or part-time or just kind of to make a few extra bucks to pay down some debt. Like, it's totally admirable, and I'm really happy to be able to be a part of someone's journey and helping them to spread this awesome news of them and their reselling journey. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already liked this video, be sure to like it, give it a thumbs up. And as always, keep selling, get the bag. I'll see you on the next video.